Okay, Dr. Huebner, I'm here with the very esteemed Dr. Siegel, and we are here because he's been a little over a year from his second surgery, and we were just reminiscing about how fine his hair is, what a fine, baby fine hair type he has in terms of that, and also needed a big area, so he required 2 surgeries, and I wanted to show everybody what his results look like. It's been so long, I can't have to bring up his old pictures to remind myself what he used to look like, but you can see that, with the before pictures there, he looks completely different, looks younger, and the hair really suits him well. Harold, what if, I don't know, your family, your wife, has anybody really noticed? I know the second case we really focused on your crown, and I'll show that as well. But, what do you think overall now, 2 surgeries, more than a year from your second surgery, what do you think?
Well, 2 days from my 51st birthday, everybody tells me I don't look 51 or 50, so that's always exciting. Definitely bringing my hairline down and getting a front hairline again was huge, and then filling in the crown for the second procedure was the game changer. Definitely that was something that was always on my mind, but I liked how we approached it. The first procedure went from the front, going as far back as we could, and then the second procedure we really addressed the crown and filled in anywhere that we had missed in the front. Overall, the wife still loves me. The kids think I'm the best daddy, and it's great. I never have to worry about my hair. I go swimming. It brushes back perfectly when you get right out of a pool, and it's just nice knowing that I have hair again.
Yep, and the hair will be permanent there, for the rest of your life, which is awesome. I'm going to kind of go up here. You can kind of see up at the side-by-sides, and it's not perfect density, but it's enough to make a difference. It's enough to not be a bald guy. So, and I'm really happy for you, man. And of course, being in the industry, we're very big proponents of hair transplants, but having gone through it yourself, I think is really a nice thing to have in your ammunition. You can empathize and truly empathize with patients in a way that I can't. I can sympathize with patients, but having gone through it, knowing what the recovery's like, getting those phone calls about tightness, about the itching, you've been through it, so it's really a nice thing to have.
Exactly. Yeah. Definitely being able to express to my patients, even during the consults, what to expect is huge.
Awesome. Well, thanks again for showing your entire journey, and thank you again for everything you're doing with our practice. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.